My dear students, I hope you are all fine and safe while going through this global pandemic known as COVID-19 or informally coronavirus, which is affecting a lot of life globally. I hope you all are taking safety measures for your own safety and your loved ones. I'm making this video in order to address some of the common issues which I have been seeing constantly appearing in your mails. First of all, I'm extremely thankful to all those students who are sending me emails and trying to learn and struggle with their assignment in these given circumstances and going through this terrible ordeal. So I'm extremely grateful to all of you. I want to give you a quick recap for that matter. I've made my notes as well. That this term started off while taking you to Lahore, Binali, and getting exposed to you about of various work of artists and designers displayed over there. Then we have discussions on generation of ideas, creative thinking, thinking out of the box, being master procrastinator, and above all, the importance of focus. So you need to focus on what you have given. And having said that, again, I remember that making you read a handout in class which addresses the art of work and its relation to history, how to look at it, the purpose it is created, how it was made, and how does it mean to communicate with you when you go there or when you see it. The importance of formal, symbolic, and social elements related to that. Then you were taken to various places, and the idea of taking to various places was actually to give you first-hand knowledge, which is called primary knowledge in research. So I would like to know that how those places have communicated to you, and would love to know your insight, which you're already sending me, but not addressing this particular question. That how those places have communicated and how you are planning to choose them. Though and as I have already told you that you can approach the way you want to the assignment, so everybody approaches different, which is beautiful, and I'm extremely thankful to you. Some are approaching it through theory, while some are approaching it through visual at the moment. Some have created mood boards, some is trying to create storyboard. And hence, coming to this issue, I would like to raise one concern, that there is a difference between storyboard and a mood board. If there would not have been any difference, there would not be two different words. They serve two different purposes in textile design, and their role in different disciplines are different. Like a storyboard can be a totally different thing in filmmaking, but in textile design, it serves a different purpose. And that's why I'm addressing this, because I've been constantly getting email regarding the difference between storyboard and a mood board. Having said this, I would first like you to investigate. I know that in this terrible ordeal, in this circumstances, with so much uncertainty around, it's with the precautionary measures and socialized isolation, you can't reach out to the library to get your due clarity. But please make use of what you have available, and that is technology, through which I'm reaching you as well. Please research on what is a storyboard. Please research what is a mood board. What are their purposes? What are they meant to do? And I would like you to please kindly read my feedback, which most of the students are uploading in your group. So you all are on the same page, because since everybody is addressing it differently, the assignment, and approaching it differently, somebody started off with something else, so I have given my feedback in various ways. So I would like you to actually go through my feedback, which has been sent to you, in this form. I hope you all can see this, and also which is actually available in your those who have just sent me their theoretical work. I've checked that and color-coded that, raised my concern, and also asked them to upload their work in their WhatsApp group. So I think that will give you all exposure, much needed exposure, in revisiting back your term, that why we plan to approach this, and why we took you to places, why certain video was shown, why certain discussion was addressed, why the archival session was conducted. It all has linkages. Try to make those linkages. What I have observed is that everybody is thinking in terms of compartment. That if the assignment is given, it has nothing to do with your previous work. Obviously, it has. So please kindly look at your previous work. Please kindly look around what is available for you on online, authored articles, citations, references to support what you are doing when we'll be hopefully blackfully in the class once this ordeal will be over. If you have any further questions, if you don't have anything, you can always send me an email or text message, because I do realize that we have researcher constraints going on. But moreover, I just request that please read each other's um, uh, give feedback I have given to them in order to get more knowledge. Share as you have shared your knowledge with me, and I feel certainly highly learned after some of the interesting findings you have written to me. And I'm extremely grateful to you for making me more learned and making my teaching a more enriching experience. I would like you to send me your next mail with revising the elements and principle of design, because I believe that maybe because of what we are going through at the moment, due to panic and all that, everybody is thinking in compartments. Please don't. Try to make bridges between everything you have been taught so far, and then write me your email. I will be extremely thankful, and I'm always available here for you. I miss my classroom atmosphere. I miss all of you, having said that. And I hope to send you more tutorials if needed only. Otherwise, I'll be waiting for your email. And those of us who are suffering in this global pandemic, let's pray for them and their safety. And please remain safe with your family, and please take a precautionary measures. Thank you so much.